Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a pre-Christmas tidy up. So I've got a few bits to tidy away before we get our Christmas decorations out, which we're going to be doing today. So we're going to start decorating, aren't we?
And guys, just to tell you, I didn't have any football today because Kev had a day off.
Oh right, so it's off today, football, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't worry, but Daddy was silly. I think I forgot.
Oh, you didn't realise?
Well, he did say, but I must have forgot.
Oh dear. Anyway, so they've just gone to football and football's off now, so I've got the boys in the house as well whilst I tidy. So what I'm going to do is I need to put some like ornaments and things away that we don't need out over Christmas, because we wanted to put quite a few ornaments and things out and we need the space for it. So I'm going to box all of those up. I'm going to use a few Christmassy kind of products. If you want to see me clean the house before we get our decorations out, just keep watching. Okay, so this is how the kitchen is looking at the minute. Obviously we've got washing up needs to go away as usual. Still got some Halloween stuff out actually, and some Christmas bedding I need to wash for Renzo. Look at this bedding, how cute it is. What are you going to do now then, babe?
Wow, I think I deserve a sort of a nap. That's right.
A nap? Mark's going to go upstairs and play with the boys, aren't you, in the bedroom?
Yeah.
Whilst I get downstairs prepped for Christmas decorating. So if you know Renzo, then you'll know he loves dinosaurs, and when I saw this Christmas bedding set I thought, oh my god, he has to have this. Loads of you sent me lots of pictures of Christmas bedding as well with dinosaurs on and gift ideas, which has been really good, so thank you for that. But yeah, I found this from George Home and I just got him a single bed, and that's what it looks like there. So I thought that was so cute. So if you've got any dinosaur mad children, then this would be really cute. They've got some in Matalan I think as well. I've actually ordered some wrapping paper from Matalan and some bedding for Vinny, but it hasn't arrived yet. So I'm just going to get this one washed today, ready to pop it on the bed.
Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time.
I'm just putting Renzo's bedding on a quick wash on a 40-degree one. So I'm going to get that all clean now. Now what I'm going to do, let's do some Zaflora. Let's get some Zaflora out actually. I bought some new Zaflora the other day because they've got their Christmas scents out now. I got mine from Home Bargains for £1. So we've got Winter Spice and Warm Cinnamon. I can't remember which one I had last year. I think it's Winter Spice, the one I had last year. I think my favourite of the two is Winter Spice. But today I'm going to go with Warm Cinnamon because I do like cinnamon as well. And I know there's some more winter scents coming out, so let me know if you've got them and what you think of them. So I'm actually going to pop some in the sink and let that kind of make the sink smell nice. And I'm also going to put it in this spray bottle as well, so we have that nice scent to spray around the house to make it all Christmassy for the day. I'm also going to put a couple of capfuls into the sink with some hot water and just let that do its thing. It just makes the room smell really gorgeous, and I love that. And it's just going to fill the room with that kind of festive scent, which I'm after today. Okay, so that is all in the sink now, and now I'm actually going to clear the surfaces and wipe them down before I move into the living room. Actually, I think I might clear a few things off the work surfaces as well in here, and get them cleared so I can put some Christmas decorations out. So I've got some things on the windowsill that I can clear, so I'm going to do that in a sec. Okay, so I've just grabbed this box here from the Loft and I'm going to put everything in here. I think I'm going to put this away. I love it, but I don't need it out for Christmas. And I don't have any paper to wrap these in, so I'm hoping they're going to be okay, and Mark's just going to put it up in the loft very gently. I think I'm going to leave these and put some lights in them for Christmas time. Already got a little Christmas present there, which is cute. Might put him on there for now. And then this I need to wash out later and get rid of.
Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas. Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the January. Doesn't matter.
Okay, so the bedding is all done now. I'm just going to pop it into the tumble dryer because it's raining today, so I can't put it outside. The dining room is kind of cleared out now. I've got rid of all of the crumbs on the floor, and the kitchen is pretty much done. I've cleared all of the surfaces now. Okay, so this is what I'm dealing with in the living room today. Bit of a mess because the boys have been in here playing this morning. So I'm going to tidy it all away so then obviously we can get the decorations down. This is also going to go, but I'm going to get Mark to move that out later on for me. And yeah, I'm just going to tidy everything else first. I'm not going to bother hoovering because there's just going to be loads of stuff on the floor later. So I'll probably do that after we get the decorations out. But I'm going to put some bits away, especially these little guys.
Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, dance, dance. Come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance. Have a good time. Dance, dance. All night long. We're gonna dance, dance. And have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain.
Though I love all of these up here, obviously we're going to put the Christmas bits up here, so I'm going to take these down and I think I'm going to put them back over here. This can go, so can this. And then I don't want to get rid of this picture, but I'm going to move it and pop it over here. That. So that is now bare. I'm going to wipe it down in a minute, but that is ready for like the garland and things like that. This area over here I'm going to keep like that for now because we need to buy some bits to go on there, so I'll rearrange that as and when. I'm just going to tidy these cushions and stuff up now. So I literally just plumped up the cushions on the sofa and replaced the throw. I had a pink one on there, but I've just changed that one to a more wintry one. This one's from Laura Ashley. And I put this on here to protect the sofa because that's where Vinny usually sits and Renzo. So yeah, it just stops stains and stuff. And I usually have one over here, but I'm just washing the throw at the moment. So I'm just going to wipe the surfaces down now with some Pledge and this little duster. Okay, so this is the living room all finished now, ready for decorating. So it looks a little bit more bare now. I will need to get rid of these and the toys, and then the Christmas tree will be going here. So I can't wait to show you what it all looks like, but that is what the living room looks like right now. And then soon you'll be able to see it all decorated. I hope you enjoyed watching this clean with me video. I can't wait to get the house decorated and show you all. I'm going to do a Christmas house tour, so watch out for that. But I'm also going to be filming a decorate with us video, so that'll be coming up next. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys.